The girl you're seeing on your screen right now is supposedly 24 years old with around 380,000 followers on Instagram, earning anywhere between $10,000 to $25,000 per month as an influencer. But here's the twist, she's not real. That's right, she's completely AI generated. She's not the only one. Many of those cute or trendy Instagram influencers you see could also be virtual AI creation. Their faces, outfits, and even the backgrounds in their posts are fully AI generated. But the money they earn? That's 100% real, from sponsorships, collaborations, and monetization. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI influencer model using just one tool and potentially earn a passive income. But here's the catch. Most creators fail. They just post AI images and expect money to roll in, and it doesn't work that way. I'm going to break it down for you. Here's what we'll learn in this video. First, how to create consistent AI influencer images for every post. Second, how to make eye-catching visual reels using your AI influencer. Lastly, how to promote brands if you land a sponsorship or collaboration. So let's get started. First, head over to Chatgpt and type, "I want to create an AI influencer," and click Generate. Chatgpt will then guide you to define the influencer's identity and other details. Once that happens, paste in the prompt. You can grab this prompt directly from my Telegram. The link is in the description. Inside the prompt, just replace X with 10 and hit Generate. This will give you 10 different AI character prompts from different countries. Next, to bring those ideas to life, you can use an image generation tool to create the visuals. Then swap faces for Reels content using a video generation tool. If you want to promote a brand, you'd usually need another tool with generative fill features. But here's the real game changer. There's a single tool that lets you do all of this in one place, videofaceswap.io. Just head over to the website. The link is already in the description. Once the dashboard loads, click on the sign up button and register using your Gmail. After signing up, scroll down and you'll see a variety of AI tools, such as video face swap, image to video, and more. From there, click on Nano Banana AI, then tap on Try Nano Banana Now. You'll be taken to a page where you can upload your image and find a prompt box to describe what you want to generate. Now switch back to ChatGPT and copy any prompt. I'll use the Korean girl prompt for this example. Return to the Video Face Swap website, paste that prompt into the Nano Banana prompt box, and hit Create. Within a minute, you'll have a stunning, eye-catching, and realistic AI girl character ready. Just click Download to save it. Next, re-upload the image you just downloaded back into the upload area. In the prompt box, type anything you'd like to change. For example, I'll write, "She is sitting near the beach and enjoying the vibe." Then click Create. As you'll see, it generates an outstanding result with a perfectly consistent character image. No changes to the face, just the new scene added seamlessly. And that's how you can easily create AI girl images to post on Instagram. But here's the catch. Images alone won't help you go viral. To truly grow, you'll also need Reels. The best part? You can create Reels with just one click. First, tap on the Video Face Swap tool. You'll see two options, Single Video Face Swap and Multi-Video Face Swap. For this tutorial, we'll stick with Single Video Face Swap, so select that. Next, head over to TikTok and pick any reel you like. Copy the link of that video, then open your browser and search for Snap TikTok. Click the first link, paste your copied TikTok link into the box, and hit download. Once the video is generated without a watermark, save it to your device. Now let's return to the Video Face Swap tool. Under the first section, Origin Face Upload area, upload the TikTok video you just downloaded. In the second section, Target Face area, upload your AI influencer character. In the third section, you'll see three options, Normal, Smooth, and HD. For now, let's go with HD and then click Swap to start the process. It'll take a little time, but once the swap is complete, you'll get a notification saying task completed. On the right-hand side, click on My Creations. There, you'll see your newly face-swapped video. Tap to preview it, and if everything looks good, hit Download to save it. Now, let's try the multi-video face swap feature. First, upload your video in the first section. In the second section, click on Face Detection. Once the tool detects all the faces in the video, you can start swapping them with your chosen characters. For example, I'll assign my AI influencer girl character to the female face, and for the boy, I'll just use a random male face. After that, head to the third section and click on Swap. When the process finishes, go to My Creations, and under the Multi-Video Face Swap tab, you'll find your new video. Just tap on it to preview, and then hit Download to save it. Here's the cool part. You can even change the background of the video. Either upload your own custom background or select from the variety available inside the tool. Choose one, hit Create, and within a minute, your video will have a brand new background. So now you know how to create posts and reels for your Instagram AI influencer page. But here's the big question. When you start getting sponsorships or brand promotions, what's the next step? That's where the third part comes in, brand promotion. Head over to the Nano Banana tool and upload your AI influencer character. In the second image area, upload the product you want to promote. For example, I'll upload a pair of headphones. Next, write your prompt describing the concept you want to create. If you're not sure what to write, you can always use Chatgpt to help craft the perfect prompt. Once done, click Create. In just a few seconds, you'll see a high-quality promotional image, consistent, realistic, and eye-catching. If you were to design this manually, it could take hours or even an entire day. And if you hired a graphic designer, it would cost you quite a lot. Let's try another one. This time, I'll upload the Shopify logo, write the prompt, and hit Generate. Again, the output is absolutely incredible. That's the power of VideoFaceSwap.io. It combines multiple popular AI tools into a single platform. Plus, you even get daily free credits just for checking in. And when it comes to the paid plans, they're very reasonably priced, comparable to other tools, but with way more features packed in. The link is in the description. Definitely check it out.